I want you to go ahead and write, is the vertex on the inside of the circle?
You said right?
Yeah, you can go ahead and write it on the inside of the circle, on the outside, at the center, or what's my fourth one? On the circle. So go ahead, write that, and then I'm going to go ahead and have you lift up those boards in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me see the boards. Okay, good. So now we know it's on the circle. So if it's on the circle, what's another name for it, Mario? Inscribe. Excellent. And now using your notes, go ahead and look up the equation for inscribed circles. Yeah, go ahead and write that up on your boards. Which equation are you going to use? Because there's 4, right? And so later, when we're doing our homework, we got to first figure out which of those 4 equations are we going to be able to use. Let me see the boards up in 5 seconds.
Wait.
4, 3, 2, 1. Boards up. Good. Okay, now, if you want, you can keep that picture. If not, that's fine. Using the equation that you all said, you guys all wrote that the angle is the arc divided by 2. I want you to go ahead and plug in your values. Before you do that, though, actually, can I get somebody to tell me, this 84, is that an arc or an angle? Let me see those hands before you, nobody shout out yet. Is that an arc or an angle? And that's something that people get confused on all the time, right? But if you get confused on this, even if you've gone so far, you're still gonna get the problem wrong. So, Gianquivius, what do you think? Is it an arc or an angle? Arc, good. This one, where our 2 lines come together, is my angle. But my arc is always on the outside of my circle. So you're right. You're absolutely right. It's the arc. So now knowing that, I want you to go ahead, plug in those values, and solve for angle 1. I'm going to have you lift up those boards in 10 seconds.